here, celebrating UNCCG's 6th member birthday for today. I hope each of you has had a full day of fantastic fun and super surprises. Happy birthday! And don't forget, for more information on our UNCCG Kids Club, call the Kids Club hotline at 877-6422 or visit UNCCG on the web today. You're watching UNCCG Just for Kids. Funding for Arthur is provided by
Chuck E. Cheese, proud supporter of PBS Kids, helping kids discover that doing something feels a whole lot better than doing nothing. PBS Kids, where kids can be a kid.
the largest farm animal alive today is the elephant. Wings like 5 cars. That's why Zoo House supports PBS Kids, with tons of knowledge and passion that carries mind. Zoo House, listen up.